Clean Air Show here. Phil, AJ,
Skyway Bridge.
Skyway Bridge. You want to watch some Indy NXT? Miatas?
Miata's alright.
Maybe some IndyCar practice?
Yeah.
But NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series
Trucks.
races today on the streets of St. Pete.
Looking forward to it. Been looking forward to it for a couple weeks, so hopefully we get a good show.
Let's see what we got. Hey Phil.
Yeah.
The one thing I'll say, IndyCar knows how to set up the hospitality stuff.
This is good. This is good. Nice and tight. Everything organized.
This is way better than anything I've seen a NASCAR track put out, and I hate to say it.
Yeah, I'll agree.
There's merchandise stuff everywhere. There's food, beverages, all different options
I'm
everywhere.
gonna stop here for a minute. I'm gonna hit this Velo tab when we're done.
There is stuff to do everywhere here. It's nuts. So, we've watched NXT practice. We've watched the first little bit of IndyCar practice until Will Power stepped on his junk.
Stuffed it in the fence.
Absolutely ran out of talent in the turn. I gotta say, this ain't a bad experience whatsoever.
Dude, I dig it. The way they've got everything set up, it's to me, it feels a lot more fan-friendly than what NASCAR is.
It's so much more open than what NASCAR is.
It's not Jimmy's Johnson, dude.
They have this set up to where there's something to do everywhere you're at. It's not just set up for one centralized area. It's really good. I enjoy it.
Yeah.
This is a great experience.
I'm having a good time. I'm glad we came.
Let's see what else we can get into. Phil, that is moving, my guy.
Dude, like
That is moving.
except for that guy, dude. He's
That guy ain't moving, but apparently there's a wreck or something because he's got the lights on. All right, that was a cool little spot here. I'm just gonna do it right now, Phil. So we are through 2 of 3 stages of the truck race.
Halfway.
There is some cars that are junk.
Dude, I've seen less damaged cars in demo derbies. No bullshit.
But we found the best place to sit and watch this race. Go over by the yachts, stand right there by the little fence, and you get to see them go down into the final corner.
And let me tell you, they are moving.
Moving. We're gonna go to a different spot, watch final stage, and then we're out of here. Well, we just got home. Lane Riggs won. It was not bad getting out of there.
Not bad at all. May or may not have talked shit to Chris Wright's spotter.
Chris Wright's spotter was not too thrilled with Phil after the race.
Yeah, he did not like me. He called me a fat fuck. He told me he was going to beat my ass. That was the best part of the day, though.
That was awesome. That was the best part of the day.
Overall, though, good race. I was impressed.
It was. It was. The one thing I like about their setup is that you can just go anywhere. Anywhere.
Except for the grandstands.
Except for the grandstands. The only place you can't go into. Or the paddock area, apparently.
Yeah, paddock area you can't either.
I don't know. We just wandered around until people kicked us out of where we shouldn't be.
Yeah.
But no, it was a fun time.
It was a good time. I am really impressed by IndyCar. I will say that.
I can't talk shit about IndyCar anymore.
No. Indy next? That's a different story. IndyCar, those guys, man.
That was nuts.
That was insane.
Yeah, the big thing was Chris Wright's spotter is not a Phil Ellis fan.
Not a Phil Ellis fan at all.
Does he know that you're Mr. Professional Race Car Driver, though?
I don't know if he knows how many wins I have, dude.
You got more wins in the state of Florida than I bet Chris Wright does.
Yeah, he ain't lying there.
Hey, Clean Air Show out. I think our next vlog we're going to do is probably Daytona.
Yeah, more than likely.
Probably Daytona in August. Other than that, catch us on Sundays, YouTube, live, noon, pre-race show. Other than that, like, rate, subscribe.
Thanks, everybody.
See you guys.